It was installed and then restored. Let's light the fire and see how it works. Give a little throttle. Okay, no problem. Successful ignition. We just need to tie the attached wires for him again, and it will be fine. Hand over the vehicle. Hand over the vehicle. Let's check the starter. First, remove the screws that were installed. Take this off for it. Black. The motor did burn out indeed. The bearing is also fine. Burned. We have already disassembled the starter. Through our observation, we have discovered a problem. This is the central rotor of the starter. The insulating adhesive layer outside the copper wire. It should have been worn out. Then the short circuit caused by the scraping of the chamber. Then the starter was burned out. We need to feed back to the manufacturer to solve this problem.